Hello all, here I am going to show you how to print star pattern in different ways in Python. So let's start. Start with our first method. I take num equal to 5 for I in range. In parenthesis type num. In second line for j in range. In parenthesis type num. And print star double inverted comma and equal to double inverted comma and is for break the line. At last print parenthesis. Save it and run it. See here, it's our first method of star pattern. If you want to add spaces between the star, you should just come here. See here, I just add a space here and save it and run it. See here, it's our first pattern. So come here for next method to print a star pattern. I can just select it and delete it. See here, for I in range num and print star and double inverted comma into num. Close the parenthesis, save it and run it. See here, it's our second method to print star pattern. Close it. Now for third pattern, see here, you can just delete it and add 1 comma num plus 1 close parenthesis and print star and double inverted comma into I and close the parenthesis, save it and run it. See here, it's different shape here. Now close it for another method. See here, I can just add a space here and into parenthesis type num minus I close parenthesis plus it, save it and run it. See, it's different shape of a star pattern. Now close it. Come here for another shape of print. You want to just add a space here. Save it. And here is the shape, pyramid shape. So close it. And for different shape, I can just copy it and paste here and add some small changes here. See here, you can just delete it and type num minus 1 comma 0 comma minus 1 and save it and run it. See, it's diamond shape. Now for next method, close it and come here. I just comment out these two lines and just remove minus 1 and save it and run it. See here, it's different shape. Now come here for another method to print a star pattern. I just add a space here and save it. See here. Now come here again for different method and different shape. I just select it and delete it and save it and run it. see, it's very simple. Now again close it and come here for different shape. Just remove the comments from here and add here -1 and just select it and delete it. See here, save it and run it. See, it's different shape of star pattern. Come here again for different shape. I just add here is 2 spaces into num minus I and plus, and just copy it and paste here. Save it and run it. See here, it's another shape of a star pattern. So it's very simple to print the star pattern in different shapes. You can just try it, and thank you.